we are in for another good start. 85 points higher for the Nifty, 167 points higher for the Sensex. The breadth is looking absolutely impeccable, which is what the important talking point is. IREDA is reacting to numbers 6%. Vodafone 0.5% higher. There is a 6% uptick nearly in Geojit's financial services. HCLTech, let's see how it is reacting to the numbers per se. And if one looks at a stock like BAL, BML, all those stocks are showing signs of energy. The markets are settling down, so I will not get too much into the first rates, but I think the star outperformer based on numbers, I think, is IREDA. Then there is Zomato, platform delivery hike, 227 rupees for Zomato. Avenue Supermart, there is an indication that things are looking up now. It's at 5,000 plus now. And then good old Geo Financial Services, which is at 354. I mean, very little red on the screen, irrespective of what's happening in the world. Block deal may be in RS Life. Let's get it checked because volumes are high, volume action is high, and the price is down.
Okay, let's check on what IT is up to, the absolute winner of last week, whether or not that traction is continuing because it was large cap, mid cap. The entire basket, by the way, saw 1.6 lakh crores in terms of market cap addition. Well, that's what it's currently looking like. It seems like the green or the long trade is really playing out in IT. HCL Technologies in particular post its quarterly numbers. Nomura has maintained a buy. Investec has a sell rating. Remember, the overall revenues came in lower by 1.6%. Sequentially, up about 2%. Avenue Supermarts as well came out with its performance. Net profits at higher by about 16%. Margins, though, are absolutely flat, and JP Morgan has an overweight rating. Remember, Maruti and Escorts both in the spotlight. Maruti talking about the product expansion, the launches in EV, and the first unveiling in Q4. That stock is up 0.5%, and Escorts as well talking about the domestic tractors growing in mid-single digits for FY25. Zomato, how is the street taken to another hike in the platform fee, now at 6 rupees? A quick check-in on what Zomato is up to, 2.2% higher. IREDA as well, Nikunj flagged that off, a result candidate, 30% net profit jump up, a nice 7% there. Bansali Engineering also is a result reaction, margins contracted, net profit strong. 5 Paisa Capital came out with its quarterly numbers with a 21% revenue scale up, and Suntech Realty with some Q1 updates. Check in on HDFC Standard Life Insurance, will be coming out with its quarterly numbers today. Meantime, you've got some updates in the pharma world. Suvin, Piramal Pharma, Cipla has got some voluntary action for the Maharashtra plant. Lupin and EIR from the US FDA, and Aurobindo, more importantly, is going to consider a buyback on the 18th of July. A quick look at Safari and VIP as well. Remember, Investec came out with that note with a buy rating on both of these counters. So just want to see what they're up to in trade today. And RVNL has got an LOA from the Central Railway for the Nagpur division. Alright, the breadth is still skewed in favor of the gaining side, but not very impressive when it comes to the winners. Bharti Airtel, Asian Paints, HDFC Life, Coal India, Aisha, all in the red this morning. Kunal, what's your reading on the first trades, and what's the first trade that you're punching in?
So Manappuram is something which is looking attractive. The stock trading above the 220 mark, confirming a breakout, I think, on Friday, where we saw the stock moving up above the breakout level. So that's a stock which I would be looking to recommend.
Nuresh, what about you? What is the first trade coming on your screen?
So continue to like the oil and gas space. IOC, BPCL, HPCL looks interesting. So IOC at current levels looks good for a bounce back from here.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.